So this is the next question that we have, guys. S is a set of consecutive even integers, right? And we know the range is divisible by 6. Okay. And we are given that we have to find out if the median is even, odd, prime, single digit positive integer or positive fraction. Okay. So I think I've told you what a range is, but just to clarify, for example, if this is a set, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Just telling you basic things. So range means highest minus lowest. This is all the range is. So range is in a given set, the highest number minus the lowest number. So the difference is the range. So for example, in this case, highest is 5 and lowest is 1. So the range is 4. Okay. So this is what range means, right? Okay. So now let's move on to the question. So in the question it's given that S is a set of consecutive even integers, okay, and range is divisible by 6. So consecutive even integers. So let's assume, for example, S is equals to, the first even integer can be 2, right? So 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8. Let's assume that this is the sequence, this is the set, right? So if you see, S is a set of consecutive even integers, 2, 4, 6, 8, absolutely right. The range is divisible by 6. What is the range here? The range over here is 8 minus 2, which is 6, right? And obviously 6 is divisible by 6, I think no doubt. So these two conditions are satisfied, right? So now in this case, what will be the median? The median will be, because we have even number of numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers. So the median will be the n by 2th term plus the next term divided by 2. So what is n by 2? N by 2 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 2, which is 2. So the second term. So median will be second term plus third term divided by 2. Okay. So second term is 1, 2, 4. The third term is 1, 2, 3, 6 upon 2, right? So 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 2, 5. That means the median turns out to be 5. The median is 5, right? Okay. Now let's take one other case. For example, if S is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? So we know S is a set of consecutive even integers. So this is absolutely fine. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is consecutive even integer, right? The range should be divisible by 6. Now what is the range? So the range will be highest, which is 14, minus the lowest, which is 2, which is 12, right? And we know that 12 is divisible by 6. Absolutely fine. So now let's find out the median. So median will be, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 7 numbers, and we know for odd number of numbers, the median is n plus 1 by 2, right? So the median will be n plus 1 by 2. So there are 7 terms. So 7 plus 1 by 2, right? So 7 plus 1 by 2, which is 8 by 2, which means the fourth term, right? The fourth term. And what is the fourth term? The fourth term is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 8. The fourth term is 8, right? So in this case, the median turns out to be 8, right? So in one case, we found the median to be 5. in one case we found the median to be 8, right? And we have to tell which all are the possible options, which all can be a possible option. So the median can be even. Yes, it can be even. Absolutely right. Can the median be odd? Yes, it can be odd because median is 5 in one case. So absolutely fine. Can the median be prime? Yes, the median can be prime because 5 is a prime number. So it is possible, right? Can the median be a single digit positive integer? Yes. Single digit positive integer, single digit positive integer. Absolutely fine. Can the median be a positive fraction? No, the median cannot be a positive fraction. Why? The reason is that, for example, whenever you, for example, if the median is any one of these terms, right, then obviously it will be an even number, right? And in this case, for example, if we take any other case, the median can be the sum of any one term plus the sum of next term divided by 2, right? But we know both this term and this term are even, right? Because all these terms of the set, all the terms of the set are even. So even if you add two terms, it will always be divisible by 2, right? It will always be divisible by 2. So if it is divisible by 2, it will always be an integer. It will never be a fraction. So this is not possible. So your answers are A, B, C, D. I hope this is clear. I'll just tell you this point once again. What did I say? I said that we know that in the set S, it consists of even integers, right? For example, it can be 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, whatever. So if you talk about the median will either be the sum of two terms, for example, in this case, the second term plus third term by 2, right? We know the second term is even. I mean, all the terms are even. So obviously the second term is even and the third term is also even. So if you add even plus even, so even plus even will be even, right? And if you divide it by 2, so even divided by 2 will always give you an integer. So this value will always come to be an integer. And if you talk about this case, where the median is any one particular term, for example, in this case, it's the fourth term, or in some other case, it can be the 100th term also. But we know all the terms in the set, they are even integer. So in this case also, the answer will be an even integer. So irrespective of what, it will never be a fraction. So this answer is completely wrong. So the correct answers are A, B, C, D. I hope this is clear.